Hello, hello. Welcome to channel English Talk Now. My name is Olivia. I am very happy you are here. Today, we talk about eating at a restaurant. Eating at a restaurant. This is a very useful topic. You will hear these words many times. You will use these words in real life. So today, let's learn simple English for restaurants. Slow English, easy English, real English. Let's start with some key words. I say the word, you repeat after me. Ready? Let's go. Restaurant. Repeat. Restaurant. Menu. Repeat. Menu. Table. Repeat. Table. Waiter. Repeat. Waiter. Water. Repeat. Water. Great job. Very good. Now let's put these words into very easy sentences. I say the sentence, you repeat after me. I am at a restaurant. Repeat. I am at a restaurant. I see a menu. Repeat. I see a menu. I want a table. Repeat. I want a table. The waiter is here. Repeat. The waiter is here. Wonderful. You are doing great. Listen to me very slow. I am hungry. I go to a restaurant. I sit at a table. I look at the menu. Again. I am hungry. I go to a restaurant. I sit at a table. I look at the menu. Great job. Very, very good. Now we talk about arriving at a restaurant and asking for a table. Useful phrases. Easy phrases. What do you say when you walk in? What do you say to the waiter? Let's learn together. First, listen. I walk into the restaurant. Again. I walk into the restaurant. Good. The waiter comes to you. The waiter smiles. The waiter says, "Hello, do you need a table?" Let's practice this. Repeat after me. Hello, do you need a table? Repeat. Do you need a table? Now your answer is very simple. You can say, "Yes, please, a table for one." Repeat. A table for one. Yes, please, a table for two. Repeat. A table for two. Good. Let's repeat again for practice. A table for one. A table for two. Very nice. Sometimes the waiter may ask, "How many people?" Repeat. How many people? You say, "One." Repeat. One. Two. Repeat. Two. Easy, right? Very good. Listen to this small conversation. Waiter. Hello, welcome. How many people? You. Two. A table for two, please. Waiter. Great. This way, please. Let's repeat the key sentence. A table for two, please. Again. A table for two, please. Great job. Here are two more simple phrases. Do you have a menu? Repeat. Do you have a menu? Can I sit here? Repeat. Can I sit here? Very good. Now we talk about ordering food. This is very important and very fun. This is the part everyone loves. Food. Let's start with simple, useful phrases you can use in any restaurant. The waiter gives you the menu. The waiter says, "Are you ready to order?" Repeat. Are you ready to order? Your answer can be, "Yes, I am ready." Repeat. Yes, I am ready. Or, "One moment, please." Repeat. One moment, please. Very good. Now, to order food, you can use a very simple sentence. I would like. Repeat. I would like. One more time. I would like. This is the best phrase for ordering. Easy, polite, perfect. Let's practice with food items. Chicken. Repeat. Chicken. Rice. Repeat. Rice. Salad. Repeat. Salad. Soup. Repeat. Soup. Pizza. Repeat. Pizza. Great. Now let's make full sentences. I would like chicken. Repeat. I would like chicken. I would like a salad. Repeat. I would like a salad. I would like pizza. Repeat. I would like pizza. Very nice. Let's do a little listening practice. Listen carefully. I look at the menu. I choose my food. I tell the waiter, I would like chicken and rice. Again, a little slower. I would like chicken and rice. Great job. Now let's practice drinks too. Water. Repeat. Water. Juice. Repeat. Juice. Soda. Repeat. Soda. Good. Full sentences. I would like water. Repeat. I would like water. I would like juice. Repeat. I would like juice. Perfect. Now we talk about interacting with the waiter, asking questions, and understanding simple restaurant phrases. These phrases help you understand the waiter. Very useful, very simple. Let's start. The waiter may ask, "What would you like to drink?" Repeat. What would you like to drink? You answer, I would like water. Repeat. I would like water. Or, I would like juice. Repeat. I would like juice. Great job. Another question. Anything else? Repeat. Anything else? This means, do you want more? Do you want something extra? You can say, no thank you. Repeat, no thank you. Or, yes, I would like dessert. Repeat, yes, I would like dessert. Good. Another question you may hear, is everything okay? Repeat, is everything okay? You say, yes, everything is great. Repeat, everything is great. Special requests. Sometimes you want something special, something small, something extra. Here are simple phrases. Can I have more water? Repeat, can I have more water? Can I have a napkin? Repeat, can I have a napkin? Can I have the menu again? Repeat, can I have the menu again? Great! Let's listen to a small restaurant conversation. Very slow. Waiter, hello, are you ready to order? You, yes, I would like soup. Waiter, great. Anything else? You, no thank you. Let's repeat the key sentence. I would like soup. Again, I would like soup. Perfect. Now we talk about paying the bill, saying goodbye, and we make a short review of all the important phrases. You are doing amazing. Let's go. When you finish eating, you can say, "Can I have the bill, please?" Repeat, "Can I have the bill, please?" Again, slowly, "Can I have the bill, please?" The waiter brings the bill. The waiter may say, "Here you go." Repeat, "Here you go." You look at the bill. You pay. You can say, "Thank you." Repeat, "Thank you." And the waiter says, "Have a nice day." Repeat, "Have a nice day." Great. Here are a few more simple, helpful sentences. The food was great. Repeat, "The food was great." Everything was very good. Repeat, "Everything was very good." Thank you for your service. Repeat, "Thank you for your service." Very nice. Listen to this small story. Very slow, very simple. I go to a restaurant. I sit at a table. I look at the menu. I order food. I say, "I would like pizza." I drink water. The waiter asks, "Is everything okay?" I say, "Yes, everything is great." I finish eating. I say, "Can I have the bill, please?" I pay. I say, "Thank you." I leave the restaurant. Great job! You understood a full restaurant routine in English. Let's repeat the most important phrases from today. A table for two, please. Are you ready to order? I would like... Anything else? Can I have more water? Can I have the bill, please? Amazing! Really, really great job today. Thank you for learning with me. My name is Olivia, and this was English Talk Now channel. See you next time.